Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today I'm doing a follow-up video to a video I did a couple years ago on how to get heat into your vehicle if your heater's out in your car, which you really should just go ahead and take the time and fix the problem of why you don't have any heat in your car. But a couple years ago, I found this little portable 12-volt heater on Amazon, and I was excited. It was like 20 bucks. I thought, perfect, a little bit of heat, you know, it would work. Complete, utter failure. Well, that video has been crazy popular and people have asked me to do it again, but this time there's a new heater out there at Amazon and they want to know if it stands the test of whether to buy or not. So I bought it, and my money, so it's not like it's sponsored or anything. Let's find out if this little thing is worth the $30 you're going to spend on Amazon for. So let's look it up and let's find out. And it's currently 36 degrees here, so we'll find out if this thing's going to work or not. So with that, I'm going to shut up and get into this week's video on a product review from Amazon on a car heater. Alright, so this is what I picked up off of Amazon. Let's see if we can get into it here. And what is this? What is this? Looks like a stand. Yep, that's what it looks like. Something to mount it somewhere. All right, so we got that. Oh, it looks like got there 3M sticky tape. Yeah, well, not 3M, but sticky tape for probably right here. Yep. Okay, so we got that going on. All right, back into here. Oh, instructions. Entered instructions, and yeah, it doesn't tell you much. Yeah, okay, yeah, so there's that. That's gone. And now here's the actual heater. There's shit. Oh, I see. There's the attachment point. I get it. Okay, yeah, so clips into here. This little stand. Got it. All right. So let's take this. That's what it looks like. Kind of, you know, on-off button. Looks like it has two different settings and a place where you can hardwire it or lock it down in case someone wants to steal your $30 frickin' heater. All right, let's get this in. Yeah, kind of a short cord is kind of, yeah, what she said. So right down here, let's see, right there. Plug this in. It's nice and tight. Come back up here, and there's the power switch. Off. All right, so this is low. Let's just kind of sit it right here, put it right at us, and my hand's right in front of it, and I feel no air. Nothing. Oh, this is gonna be horrible. All right, thermometer. Let's see how much we got coming in here. 80 degrees? No way. 106. Are you guys picking that up in there? 95, 99. Okay, let's give it a few minutes and let's see. All right, it's been the 5-minute mark. Let's see what's going on here. 135, 145, depending on where you're hitting it at in there. But I can tell you this: you gotta have your hand basically like right there to fill any air, but you can definitely feel a warm zone right here. So if you had it like maybe right in front of you, so when you're driving, that might work. That might be the ticket. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. So normally you would start your vehicle, go inside, get a few things, spend 5 minutes. Let's give it another 5 minutes and see what it does, and we'll test the temperature inside the truck. All right, 10 minutes now sitting here. Go ahead and let's see what we're doing. Still getting those high numbers. But now if we put this right over here, 94, which is almost directly by the heat source. But if we go down into here, 64, 66. So after 10 minutes, it's taking the chill off in here. But I mean, I don't feel like super warm. I can take my sweatshirt off or anything. So this might be the way to go for 30 bucks. All right, guys, so put it up to my face. I can feel air right there. That's, yeah, get it close enough. And yeah, if you had this, maybe if you had it in your lap, or I don't know, found a way to put it maybe up over here, maybe the visor or something. But I mean, it's putting out the heat. You know, I was not going to be impressed by its size. And again, it is still nippy, chilly in here. By no means is it beautiful in San Diego at 72 degrees. But I know for 30 bucks, if you heater goes out until you can get it to a repair shop, this just might be the thing. So cool. There's a link down below if you want to get one of these off of Amazon. Of course, you will make me a nickel or maybe a penny now. Well, there's no more pennies. So, all right, guys, thanks so much for watching this little thing. We'll do in a pinch, I guess. I mean, that feels kind of nice. Okay, if you want to grab one of these, there's a link down below off of Amazon, 30 bucks or so. It'll keep you a little bit warm until you can get your heater fixed. So that, guys, I'll see you next time here in Arrowhead Garage.